Excerpt number 1 from selected excerpts from Rabash's article, What is preparation for slichot, forgiveness? It is known that for anything we want, we must prepare the means to obtain it. Accordingly, what must one prepare in order to receive slichot? In corporeality, we see that one does not say to another, sorry, unless he has done something that harmed the other person. In terms of money, honor, or bodily harm, by causing him some injury, in that case, it can be said that one should ask for the other's forgiveness, to forgive the wrong that he has done to him. There are two things to discern here. 1. If he did not do anything to him, but is asking him for forgiveness, the other person would look at him as though he is insane. If we saw someone walking on the street saying to everyone, sorry, sorry, we would certainly think that he is mad. Forgiveness pertains only to some felony. 2. If some person causes a great loss to another person and apologizes as though he did something small, he will certainly not receive what he asks for, since he has done a great offense, but he apologizes as though he did something small. It is inconceivable that he will forgive him. Rather, one measures the severity of the damage that he has done to his friend, and to that extent, he chooses the means that will make his friend forgive him. We see it in corporeal conducts, how people behave concerning forgiveness among people. And from the conduct between men and men, we should apply the same order between man and God.
Now, a question is simple for a workshop question. How do we ask the Creator for forgiveness? For what? What do we need to do for Him to forgive us? First of all, forgive what? What did He do to us or we did to Him? Now, how do we ask for forgiveness, and what do we expect to happen?
Do I feel guilty that I'm disregarding my connection with the friends, the love of friends, in order to reach, together with them, reach the Creator, the correction? Do I feel, specifically in this, do I feel myself guilty about it? That's my part in the 10, that I truly feel myself as I'm failing in a traitor, guilty. And then how do I ask for forgiveness from the friends? From the Creator, I don't know how to ask. Who knows? It's just to get something from it. But the friends that, because of me, they won't reach the correction, revelation for what they invested their whole life in. They are the ones that, towards them, I feel a big flaw that I've caused. How do I ask for forgiveness? Speak about that. That each one will feel as much as he made a flaw in the 10. And because of him, the 10 can't reach Gmal Tikkun. And what does that do? This is the time of judgment, that he has to judge himself of what's happening. Please. Rav, Let's say you are all in one room with all the created beings as one image, and the Creator is the other image, and you're in the middle. What would you do? Please, workshop. Rav, what is the role of the one who connects to the Creator and created beings? There's something in the Creator that can't connect to the created beings. There's something in the created beings that can connect with the Creator. And then there's that intermediate, that middleman who makes the connection. What's in him that he can make that connection? Why can't the Creator connect directly to the created beings? That he needs that middleman, that conduit. The nation of Israel called the conduit, the pipeline. Please. Rav, how can Israel in the middle be as the conduit, the connector between the Creator and the created beings? First to come close to the Creator, then to the created beings, or first to the created beings and then to the Creator? Where should we take deficiencies from and move them from one side to the other? What should you do? What's the order of the work that Israel has in order to connect the created beings with the Creator and the Creator with the created beings? What is the order of the work?